Now we start with chapter number 5, probability, second part. This second part, the last part we seen the practice set 5.1 and 5.2. So we continue with the same. Now, so let's start. I think the almost 5.3 it is same as the 5.2. Practice set 5.3. First one. See here, question 1 is written there. Write the sample space and number of sample points for each of the following experiments. Also write event A, B, C in the set form and write number of A, number of B and number of C. That you have to write down so that we can see now here these are all are the question over there. Total 6 questions are there in 5.3. Now the first one. One die is rolled. One die is rolled. Rolled means thrown. Event A. What the A event? Even number on the upper face. So all of you know the even number, odd numbers and prime numbers, correct? So in A, first we write down one die is rolled. So what the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way we write down. So what the number of S now? Number of S is 6. Now A is even number on the upper face, all even numbers. So which are the even number? 2, 4 and 6. So it is written here. It means number of A, how many numbers total? 3 numbers. Then odd numbers. Event B is odd number on the upper face. So these are the odd numbers. 1, 3 and 5. So that also 3. Okay. And the next one, write down prime number on the upper face, event C. So that is 2. These are the prime number. 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So that is written. The number of C also 3. Is it clear? So we can start with our second part. If the 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, now the 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Simultaneously it means together. Event A, the sum of the digit on upper face is a multiple of 6. So first write down the sample space of 2 coins. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like that you can write down till 6 and 6 that we already seen in the last part of this chapter. So first you written a sample space. Now the sum of the digit on upper face is multiple of 6. Sum means plus. As you add them, you have to get the multiple of 6. It means if you added a number, you have to get the table of 6. Like a 1, 5. So 1 and 5, that is 6. 2 and 4, 6. 3 and 3, 6. 4 and 2 is 6. 5, 1, 6. Okay. And 6 and 6, 12. Like that you can write down. So these all are the multiple of 6. So total number of A is 6. Then sum of the digit on the upper face is minimum 10. Means at least you have to get 10. If you are getting more than that, it is okay. But at least you have to get 10. So which numbers are there? 4 and 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 6. Okay, that is 11. then 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5, and 6 plus 6. So like that you get a number. Okay, so that also 6. Then same digit on both the upper face. Now same digit numbers you have to write down. Which are the same digit? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Okay, that is also total 6 numbers. So number of 6, C also 6. So this way we completed our second one. It is simple, easily what the event is given. So you have to write down according to the event and the numbers. Is it clear? Or still any doubt? So we start with next one, third one. Now third one, it is written in third one, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins. So already I shown the samples how to write down the sample space of 3 coin in last video. Here first we write down the sample space. So you have written the sample space here. That is H H H H H T H T T H T H T H T T T H T H H and T T. So here total number is 8. Now event A is to get at least 2 heads. At least it means minimum 2 head. Maximum there is no problem if it is more than 2 heads. So which are the minimum 2 heads? First one, that is H H H, then H H T, then H T H and T H H. So like that you are written 4. Then event B, to get no head. No head, it means there is no head at all. So only one is there, that is T and T. T, T, T. How many T? So it is 1. Then event C, to get head on second coin. So that is first one, H H H, H H T, then T H T T H H. Like that you get the head on second coin. Here H H H, H H T, T H H and T H T. That is not written, so you have to write down there T H T. One more you have to add in, and so here number of C is 4. Okay, so this way you get the event. One more, write down there H H H, H H T, T H H and H, then T H T. Head in second coin, to get head on the second coin. So the number of C is 4. Is it clear? This way you get the answer. Now next one. Here you can see now two-digit numbers are formed using digits. Two-digit numbers you have to form using digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Without repetition of the digit. No need to repeat it. No, you know the how to repeat it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 like that. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. No need to repeat it. So write down the sample space. So you get a 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. then 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, then 40, 41, 42, 43, then 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Then number of S equals to 25. So total numbers are 25. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 5s are 25. So you get the 25 number. Now event A, the number formed is even number. So now write down all the even numbers. So 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52 and 54. So how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total numbers are 13. So in the event B, the number form is divisible by 3. Write down the number which is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. Okay. Then 15 is divisible by 3. Then 21 divisible by 3. 24 divisible by 3. 30 divisible by 3. Then 42 divisible by 3. Then 45 divisible by 3. Then 51 is divisible by 3. Then 54 is divisible by 3. So how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total numbers are 9. Now event C, the numbers formed is greater than 50. So which numbers are more than 50 that you have to write down? That is 51, 52, 53, 54. So it is total 4. Is it clear? This way we complete our fourth one. Now next one, fifth one. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. 3 men and 2 women. So 3 men, so that you can take M1, M2 and M3. Then 2 women you can take F1 and F2. Okay. The committee of 2 persons is to be formed. So all together you have to form the committee of 2 persons. You have to join the 2 persons in the committee. So that is M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, F1, M1, F2, M2, M3, M2, F1, M2, F2, M3, F1, M3, F2, F1, F2. Like that, total 10. That's the sample space. Then event A, there must be at least 1 woman member. At least. If it is more than that, it is okay. But at least 1 woman member. So that is M1, F1, M1, F2, M2, F1, M2, F2, M3, F1, M3, F2, F1, F2. Like that. So you could get total 7. Then 1 man, 1 woman committee is to be formed. So M1, F1, M1, F2, M2, F1, M2, F2, M3, F1, M3, F2. Like that, it is 6. There should not be woman members. That is M1, M2. Only male members. M1, M3, M2, M3. It is total 3. So this way we completed our fifth one. Is it clear to all of you? Or still any doubt? No, no. Very good. Now, sixth one. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. One coin and one die, that we already seen in the last part. So we get total 12, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Like that we get a total 12. Event A, to get head and an odd number. Head and odd number. So those were the head and in that odd number. So H1, H3, H5. So total 3. To get head or tail an even number. Head and tail or even number. So that is H2, H4, H6, T2, T4 and T6. Total 6 numbers. Even see number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coins. 7 and tail. So it is not more than 6. So it means there is no number. So it is 0. So this way we completed our sixth one and practice set 5.2. Now we start with our next part, that is 5.4. So till this we completed our practice set 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. Now we begin with the 5.4. So before start with the 5.4, first we can see the formulas that we have to use for practice set 5.4. Is nothing is different. Whatever you did in 5.2 and 5.3, the same you have to do in the 5.4, but last little part you have to add it to find the probability of that numbers. That is probability of event A, number of favorable outcomes to A, and total number of outcomes, means total number of sample space. That is P of A is equals to number of A upon number of S. That the formula we use here. Suppose it is B. So what you are going to write down? Probability of B, number of B upon number of S. If it is C, so what you write down? Number of C upon number of S. This one is remains same. It is clear? That's the formula we're going to use in practice set 5.4. Let's look now. Practice set 5.4. What the first one? It is written here. If two coins are tossed, so we know what the sample space. So first you have to write down the sample space. That is HTT. Okay, so number of sample space is 4. Getting at least one head. So which are the at least one head? HH, HT and TH. Like that you get a 3. But you have to find the probability of the following events. So number of A is 3. Probability of A is number of A upon number of S. That is a formula. So 3 upon 4. So that's your answer. Then event B, getting no head. So no head, it means only one is TT. Okay, so B is TT. So number of B is 1. Probability of B is number of B upon number of S. That is 1 upon 4. So that's your answer. This way you solve your question number 1 of practice set 5.4. Now let's look the next one, second one. Now second one, you can see in second one what is given there. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, we know the sample space of two dice are rolled simultaneously. So these are the sample space. Okay, so this we write down as it is. So total number of S is 36. Now sum of the digit on the upper face is at least 10. Sum means if you add them, you have to get 10. If you're getting more than that, it is okay. We already did that one. Correct? So what you have to do now? Write down event A. So 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So it is 6. So what the probability of A? Number of A upon number of S. Okay. So 6 upon 36, that is 1 upon 6. Hence the probability that the sum of the digit on the upper face is at least 10 is 1 upon 6. Event B, sum of the digit on the upper face is 33. So 33, if you add it any number, can you get 33? No. It means B equals to 0. Number of B equals to 0. It means probability of B is number of B upon number of S. So 0 upon 36 is 0. So that is your answer. Event C, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. So you have to write down, okay, which digits form over there. It is the first die is greater than the second one. That is 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. So number of C is 15. Probability of C, so number of C upon number of S, that is 15 upon 36 is 5 upon 12. Hence the probability of the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on second die is 5 upon 12. 15 upon 36. So cancel with the 5, no? You can cancel with 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 12s are 36. So that is your answer. So this way we completed our second sum of practice set 5.4. So let's look the next one, third one. In third one, it is given over there. There are 15 tickets in a box. How many tickets? 15. So sample space, write down all the number from 1 to 15. It means number of S equals to 52. Find the probability of the even the ticket drawn shown as even number. So write down all the even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. It means total number is 7. So what the probability of A, number of A upon number of S, that is 7 upon 15. Event B is given there. Number which is multiple of 5. So which numbers are the multiple of 5? 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10 and 15. Which is multiple of 5. So number of B is 3. So number of B is 3 upon 15. So 3 upon 15, what you get? You get 1 upon 5. So that is your answer. It is 1 upon 5. So here answer is 1 upon 5. So the probability that ticket shows a number which is multiple of 5 is 1 upon 5. So this way you get your answer. Is it clear? Hope that it is clear to all of you. Now the next one, fourth one. What the fourth one? Two-digit number is formed with the digit 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. And what is the probability that the number formed is, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Form the numbers then. 23, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 37, 39. Then 52, 53, 57, 59, 72, 73, 75, 79, 92, 93, 95, 97. Total 20. So the number is odd. So the event A, the number is odd, that is 23, 25, this all odd numbers here to write down. 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 72, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. So total number is 16. 16 upon 20, if you divide it with the 4, you get a 4 upon 5. Hence, the probability that the number is odd is 4 upon 5. Event B, a multiple of 5, 23, 35, 75, 95. This number are the multiple of 5. It is total 4. 4 upon 20 is 1 upon 5. So, therefore, the number is multiple of 5 is 1 upon 5. So, that is your answer. Now, the next one. Fifth one of practice set 5.4. A card is drawn at a random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. 52, it means number of S that you can write down directly is 52. No need to write a sample space. How to write down? You can write down the 52 numbers total. So that's why we write directly number of S is 52. Find the probability that the card is drawn is NS. So how many S card? 4 cards. So 4 upon 52, that is 1 upon 13. Then a spade card. How many spade cards are there? 13 cards. So 13 upon 52. So 1 upon 4. So what's your answer? 1 upon 13 and 1 upon 4. That's your answer. So with this, we completed our practice set 5.4 and chapter number 5. So please go through the video proper way and try to get and write down the whole sums in your notebook. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me in my contact number. Okay. Okay then, bye bye and take care.